Now, Indian national Nikhil Gupta pleaded not guilty in a Manhattan federal court for hatching a murder plan to kill Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun. During the hearing, the prosecutors asked the judge to keep Gupta in detention center until his trial. Gupta's lawyer said that they would file a bail application on a later date. The 52-year-old was extradited from the Czech Republic on Friday to the United States on charges of allegedly plotting Pannun's assassination. Last June, Gupta travelled to Prague from India and was arrested by Czech authorities. A Czech court last month rejected his petition to avoid being sent to the United States. Gupta is scheduled to appear in court again on the 28th of June. The charges against him carry up to 20 years in prison. The case has garnered international attention, and with US NSA Jake Sullivan in India, the two sides will likely discuss this issue as well.
I don't have more to add on the conversations that Jake's having. He's still over there having these conversations, but the main focus of his visit, as I said, was to look for ways to deepen the U.S.-India bilateral relationship, particularly when it comes to emerging technology. I don't have anything more to add on the conversations.
And our correspondent Susan Tehrani brings us the latest on Nikhil Gupta's hearing. Listen to this.
52-year-old Nikhil Gupta appeared in a Manhattan federal courtroom on Monday afternoon. He pleaded not guilty to the charges against him through his lawyer. The prosecution requested that Gupta be held in detention until his trial. That was granted. Gupta's lawyer, however, plans to file a bail application later and expressed concern about Gupta's treatment in detention, like not receiving vegetarian meals or being allowed to pray. The judge instructed the lawyer to follow up on these issues on Tuesday if they were not resolved. The lawyer has described this case as a complex matter for both the United States and India. Gupta will again appear in court on June 28th.
Now, Susan further elaborates on the impact on US-India ties in the wake of the case. Listen to this.
The senators are urging the State Department to increase pressure on the Indian government following quote-unquote credible allegations of its alleged involvement in a failed plot to assassinate a Khalistani leader on American soil who is a dual Canadian and U.S. citizen living here in New York. They're also requesting a briefing to understand the extent the U.S. government has been engaging with the Indian government regarding this matter. The Indian government, for its part, has disassociated itself from this matter, saying it was against government policy. Now, this letter and that court appearance by Gupta comes as National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan is in India to expand bilateral strategic technology partnership.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.